Shri Mohan Naidu Kinjarapu, the Honorable Union Minister of Civil Aviation, launched Digi Yatra at AAI's Visakhapatnam, Patna, Raipur, Bhubaneswar, Goa, Indore, Ranchi, Coimbatore and Bagdogra airports. In an event organized at Visakhapatnam International Airport, HMCA inaugurated the service for Visakhapatnam International Airport and virtually launched the facility for 8 other AAI's airports, enhancing the digital travel experience for passengers across the country.
Initially, in the phase 1, we have started in 15 major airports and now we have expanded it to 9 more airports, and in future, Ministry of Civil Aviation has a target that every airport in the country should have Digi Yatra facility, and we are going to make it happen in the coming years also. And the most important question we have faced regarding the Digi Yatra app is that is there a sense of privacy in the app? So I answered it on the floor of Lok Sabha also, that when you send the information into the Digi Yatra app, it gets stored in your phone. There is no other repository which takes your information from your phone.
Shri Muralidhar Mohan, the Union Minister of State for Civil Aviation and Cooperation, also joined the event through video conferencing. Shri M. Suresh, Chairman AAI, and other senior officials of the Ministry of Civil Aviation and AAI were also present during the event.
Digi Yatra facility is a seamless, hassle-free, contactless way of travelling for passengers so that they don't have to waste time near the security checkpoints or entry points. So we have created an app, Digi Yatra app, and till today in the 15 existing airports people have used 3 crore times, and there are 54 lakh downloads for the Digi Yatra app. That gives us an idea on how much people appreciated the creation of the Digi Yatra app. So we wanted to expand it to more airports. So we have selected 9 different airports across the country, and we have launched this 9 airport Digi Yatra facility from Visakhapatnam today. And we are ensuring that each and every airport in the country should have the Digi Yatra facilities. This is a commitment in terms of Digital India, which our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji wants to create. And he has put his thoughts and lot of work into the civil aviation in the last 10 years. And today also he is encouraging me, he is encouraging my ministry to further advance and bring in more technologies into civil aviation also. And with his support, with his encouragement, we have been able to build from 74 airports in 2014. We went up to 157 airports today in the country. And in the coming future also, we are planning on building airports to the tune of 350 to 400 in the country.
Chairman AAI, in his welcome address, expressed pride in celebrating the remarkable journey of Digi Yatra, which has completely transformed the passenger experience of air travel.
Today we are gone for the 9 airport, including the Visakhapatnam. So slowly, as our Honorable Minister of Civil Aviation has announced, slowly the airport authority will be expanding the Digi Yatra to the entire country, so that the workload of the airport staff will come down dramatically, as well as the passenger experience will be improving very nicely.
Passengers at AAI-run airports now have a faster experience with Digi Yatra. To use the service, passengers can install the Digi Yatra app, register with their mobile number and link their ID via DigiLocker or offline Aadhaar. They need to upload a selfie and their boarding pass on the app. At the airport, passengers can enter through Digi Yatra gates by scanning their digital boarding pass and using facial recognition for security and boarding. This contactless process reduces wait time at various checkpoints.
This saves a lot of manpower for the government. They have done a wonderful job. Excellent. Congratulations to the entire team, which has put all the efforts to see that Digi Yatra keeps on improving the life of big people who want this vast.
With the launch of Digi Yatra facility, airports are now streamlining the check-in process, offering a more efficient and secure travel experience.